Picked this up at Micro Center. It's about $65 after 5% off. It's a recertified, refurbished AOC 15.6 inch USB display. I believe it's 15.6. Anyway, it comes in a regular brown box. Nothing on this side. Another AOC on that side. Okay, here's more information. Yeah, it was about $65. And one of the things that's the model number. One of the things I liked about it's 15.6 inches. One of the things I like about it is the fact that it has a kickstand, so you can stand up the monitor. Yeah, recertified. That's the person who sold it to me. Again, Micro Center. I bought it in the Micro Center in New Jersey. Inside, I can't imagine it has much. It just have a okay. Let me see what this is. Nothing else in there. Okay. This is what's in the box. Okay. That's what's in the box. Let's take it out of the wrapping. Okay, so it's USB 3, I believe. Yeah, USB 3. It takes 2 connections, so that means it's going to have to need power. So it's probably power and signal. I was hoping it would just be 1 cable. So that's everything so far. This is the top of it. What is this? See. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, this is what's back here. This is the kickstand. It goes up. AOC in the back, shiny plastic, and the USB port right here, if you can see it. So that's the USB port right there. That's all the information. Okay, let's unwrap. Let's take all this plastic stuff out, see how it looks. Okay, so I took all the plastic covering. It's really, really shiny. This is the back. It has a Bessie mount or wall mount that you can put on. There's a hose for it. But I love the stand. It's pretty cool. So it has different, so it gives you different options on mount, on standing it up. So you can do it at different stages, all the way down. Pretty cool. I like it. And that's the turn it on, see how it looks. Like I said, this allows you to maneuver it different ways. So you can bring it up closer towards you. Like that, or bring it all the way back. So you could either bring it all the way back or bring it all the way forward. It's pretty cool. This is the diagonal measurements. It's a little bit over 16 screen size. Let me bring it over here to the corner here. And it's almost about 16. Okay. Measurements from across are going to be 14 and what is that? 3/4? 14 and 3/4. Okay. The measurement here is going to be about 9. And that's from the top here. From the top here all the way down, about 9. All right. So from the corner inside the screen area, it goes about 15 inches. So we bring it on the outside, right at the corner with the base. That goes to 17. As you can see, 17 right there. That's that measurement. 17. So I plugged it in the single connection, and then I'm going to plug in the dual connection to my computer. I'm running Windows 10 on one computer and Windows 7 on the other. I'm going to try both of them out. So let me see if it picks up automatically, or if there's going to be drivers I'm going to need to install. So let me look at both of these. This is the Windows 10 machine I'm putting it on right now. So I'm trying the single USB 3 first to see if I just need one. Okay. Okay, it's giving me the connect and disconnect if you hear that. So let me put in both cables. Okay, now let me try another port, because this port doesn't seem to be working. I just plugged it into USB 2.0 hub. Okay, I just plugged it into USB 3.0 connection. Let me try the single USB 3 if that gives enough power. Nothing on display yet. Oh, there it goes. It just turned on. Okay, look at that. It came up. Awesome. So that's the actual display itself. So probably is extending itself. So let me see if I could see the mouse is up there. Let me go to display. And identify. So this is number 3. So it's all the way. So if I put number 3 in the middle there. Okay. So that's going to, so let me do apply. Okay. So I should be able to see the mouse once I bring it over on this side. There it goes. Awesome. Like I said, this is Windows 10. I'm just running a program called Start is Back, which is an awesome program. Start is Back. And it gives me my the original start menu from Windows 7. Alright, so it's working. Everything's coming up. Let me see. Let me go to Internet Explorer. So let me drag it over. I gotta come over on this side. There it is. Okay. Let me bring it over. Awesome. There it is. So I went over to the other side. Okay, that's the internet. All right. So everything seems to be working just fine. I didn't have to install drivers or nothing. Let me see what's the highest resolution I could get on this monitor. Under this. And again, I only plugged in, I'll show it to you in a minute, the USB 3.0. So, I'm sorry, I'm already there now. So if I click on this, on number 3, the resolution, okay, those are the resolutions it's allowing me. So they're high, you know, 720 at least. So they're good. It's going to be used portably. I'm not actually using it on this computer. I'm just testing it on this computer. I'm putting it on a laptop that I'm purchasing. That I want to use it as a second monitor. And I want to carry it around in my book bag with the least amount of cables. So it works. It's recertified. It looks nice. It's not ultimately bright, but it's good enough to get work done. That's all I'm looking to do. I'm not looking to game on it, just to get some work done. And like I said, I only plugged in the USB 3. I left the USB 2 out. That might be if you need additional power, but I didn't need it. I don't think I need it. So I'm going to just run it like this. And it's a gaming laptop that I'm getting, so it's going to be powered USB. So I think there shouldn't be any issues. All right. This is the AOC 15.6 USB monitor. Okay, I'm now installing. I just plugged in. I almost forgot to do this. Okay, that's my network drive. So, I'm hooking up I'm trying to monitor to see. I forgot to do this. Sorry about that all. I almost forgot to do it. I'm trying out the monitor on my Windows 7 machine. This is Windows 7. And see if the AOC monitor, see if it works on the Windows 7 machine. So it's giving me this thing. So I have only one plug plugged in. So let me try both of them and see if that helps with the power. Nope, I may need to download drivers. Okay. Let me try it out. Let me go to AOC's website. Okay, I'm at the website. Let me go to drivers and software. Screen plus driver. So let me just do driver, because that's all I really need. Let me download it to the desktop. Okay, let me open it up. Okay, let's export all this. Hold on a second. All right, let me run the setup now. I'm running the setup now, and let me see if it actually gets installed. All right. So that's the actual device, the monitor itself. It's doing the installation. Okay, it says click finish. The monitor is still displaying that USB thing. Okay, display link. Again, let me try to see if you only need just one. Okay, so the screen went black, and it's asking me to reboot, and it's still not coming up as a screen. So let me restart the computer and see what happens. I'm still getting that signal. All right, let me try reinstalling the driver. I'm putting it in another USB port. Let me see if that helps. So it's just black. Nope, still not showing up. Still not on. All right. So I'm having a lot of problems trying to connect this to Windows 7. So I have to do more research. It works my Windows 10. This is the only Windows 7 machine I have because of some old programs I have. All my other machines are either Windows 7 or Mac, the latest Mac OS. And, you know, the monitor works on those. So I'm just having a problem on Windows 7. I can't get it to work. I've installed, uninstalled the drivers and everything. But this specific model might not be compatible. Not sure. But anyway, I couldn't get it working. But it does work on Windows 10 as you saw earlier. I don't know if the video's going to show it, but definitely the USB monitor is much more flat in color, not as vibrant as the monitor of the computer. I guess for obvious reasons. I mean, this is a gaming laptop, so the screen itself is going to be much more of higher quality than a $69 USB monitor. But it does work for working. Have an additional screen. I like it. But again, it is much lighter than the computer itself.
I can do that on a Prime Video. Which would you like?